Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, we'll be discussing a hot topic in the tech world: is web development dying? With the rise of mobile apps, AI, and other new technologies, some people are wondering if web development is becoming a thing of the past. But is it really? Let's find out. According to recent data, there are over 1.8 billion active websites on the internet, and this number is only going to grow in the coming years for sure. So why do some people think that web development is dying? Well, one reason is the rise of mobile apps. With more and more people using smartphones and tablets to access the internet, some people think that web development is becoming less important. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, many mobile apps are built using web technologies, such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Web development is more important than ever before. With businesses relying heavily on their online presence to attract customers and generate revenue, the demand for skilled web developers is on the rise. And with new technologies like cloud computing and the Internet of Things, web development is only going to become more important in the coming years. So, to answer the question, is web development dying? Absolutely not. In fact, it's more important than ever before. With the growing demand for skilled web developers, now is a great time to learn web development and start building your skills. Whether you're interested in front-end development, back-end development, or full-stack development, there are plenty of opportunities out there. Here are some pros and cons of web development if you do it in 2023. Pros: new technologies. Web development is an ever-evolving field, and new technologies like AI and machine learning are constantly emerging, offering exciting opportunities for developers to innovate and create. Diverse projects. From e-commerce sites to social networks, web developers have the opportunity to work on a wide range of projects, keeping the work fresh and exciting. Competitive salaries. Web developers are in high demand, and as a result, can command competitive salaries and benefits, making it a financially rewarding career. Creative freedom. As a web developer, you have the freedom to experiment with new designs, layouts, and features, allowing you to express your creativity and create unique websites. Job security. With the increasing reliance on digital technologies, web development is a highly secure career path that is unlikely to become obsolete anytime soon. Cons: steep learning curve. Web development requires a high level of technical skill and knowledge, making it a challenging field to break into. Rapidly evolving technology. Web development technologies and techniques are constantly changing, and developers need to keep up with the latest trends to stay competitive. High pressure and tight deadlines. Web development projects often have strict deadlines, which can lead to long hours and a high pressure work environment. Job competition. With the growing popularity of web development, competition for jobs is fierce, and developers need to work hard to stand out in the job market. Sedentary lifestyle. Web development is a largely sedentary profession, which can lead to health issues like back pain and eye strain, as well as a lack of work-life balance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has helped clear up any misconceptions about the state of web development. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below.